we have a very exciting new product announcement. This is our Cummins fuel distribution block. It comes with a spacer and hardware needed to bolt directly to the block of your 2003 and up 5.9 and 6.7 liter Common Rail Cummins. This distribution block was designed to fuel up to 3 CP3s, but of course it can be used on single or dual CP3 applications. We have one -10 inlet, 2 1/8" NPT sensor ports, and 3 -8 outlets, along with a -8 through return port and 4 -6 return ports. That's for your cylinder head and up to 3 CP3s. Now, the reason our fuel distribution block has such a unique shape is because we wanted to create a nice smooth path of flow to each CP3, as you can see here in our 3D model. Now, another excellent benefit to our fuel distribution block is, well, let's be honest, it just looks awesome. Now, if you want to get yours ordered up today, or for more information, be sure to check them out at fastride.com or to locate a dealer near you.